cardiovascular machine that I'm going to cover is the Stairmaster. This one is a infinite track, so the steps just keep revolving up and down. So you're climbing stairs, but you're not going anywhere. So on this one, it's very awkward to get on. That's what these steps are for on the bottom. And I have handles from here. I'm going to step, boost myself up toward the top. And the easiest thing to do is green means go. It says quick start, stop, red is stop. And your levels are kind of your resistance, or how hard is the exercise. So from here, I'm going to hit green to go. And on this machine, I would strongly recommend always having good posture, meaning my chest is up and I'm holding on to the side. Now, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to catch the track toward the top with the surface of my foot. I don't want to get in the habit of driving my toes down or heels down. I want to catch it with that nice soft foot, and I don't want to get into the habit of getting down here and playing catch up. I want to try to stay leg at 90, flat foot, soft foot, soft foot. Once I get comfortable, if I hit the purple level button, I have a level 5. For me personally, when I use this, I stay right around 4 to 5 to 6. For me, that's appropriate. This is a very intense type exercise. It's a lot harder to do than, let's say, an elliptical at a light speed. So on this one, you really want to be careful how fast you're going and see how I'm catching this step. I'm trying to maintain my posture throughout. From here, once again, if I find myself not being able to keep up, I want to hit pause. That will stop the track. If I get in the habit of trying to catch stop, it's really hard to find that button as I'm going down. Hit the pause button, and then if I want to get off, I get down the same way I got up. Carefully, I'll step down using handles and step down. Once again, for levels of difficulty, this one would be the hardest, as you can see right now. Just talking is difficult. So this one is something that I would work myself up on to be able to utilize this.